Reclaimed redwood is nature's masterpiece of swirling grain patterns and rich tones that captivate the eye. This is a video about how redwood, burl, and wood journey from the forest to your home. Let's follow the remarkable path. It begins in the redwood forests, where burls form as unique growths on ancient trees. Ethical harvesting ensures no living trees are harmed. Many slabs come from fallen or reclaimed wood, preserving these majestic forests for future generations. All wood sourcing is completely documented. Once harvested, the burl or wood is carefully cut into slabs, preserving its natural beauty. We choose air drying our redwood instead of rushing it through a kiln, taking months, sometimes years, to let the wood breathe and release its moisture naturally. The result? Gorgeous, stable pieces with vibrant grain, free from the cracks and warps that sometimes kilns can cause in redwood's intricate patterns. Surfacing is then performed to ensure a flat, even surface. Then sanding reveals the burl's intricate textures, making each piece truly one of a kind. Finishing enhances the wood's allure. Natural oils deepen its tone. Epoxy resin protects live edges, or stains add custom flair. These touches ensure the slab's beauty lasts for generations. Artisans transform the slab into stunning creations. A live edge dining table, countertop, kitchen island, a rustic mantel, or unique coffee or side table. Each piece is crafted to highlight the wood's natural artistry, all tailored to your vision. Welcome nature's masterpiece into your home.